And Shayna Hubers has spent the good part of this decade behind bars, accused of killing her boyfriend.
In that time, she's fallen in love with a fellow inmate, and now she wants to say I do. Local 12 broke the story this afternoon. Christian Hauser continues our coverage. He's in Newport. Christian?
That's right, guys. Shayna Hubers has been locked up here at the Campbell County Detention Center since 2012. And while inside there, it looks like she's met a fellow inmate that she fell in love with and wants to marry. Jim Luersen's been the Campbell County Clerk for the past 3.5 years. This is the first time 2 inmates have requested to get married under his watch.
My main deputy clerk in the marriage department's been here 10 years and she hasn't had one.
Luersen says he received the handwritten request from Shayna Hubers and Richard McBee on Monday. Hubers was convicted in the 2012 shooting death of her boyfriend Ryan Poston, but she appealed and will get a new trial. McBee is being held on a robbery charge and is also being held as an out-of-state fugitive. McBee is also a transgender inmate who's known as Unique Taylor.
Once the law changed in 2015, it doesn't matter. The gender of the parties is irrelevant as far as a marriage license.
Luersen says he needed a little bit more information, but as long as the couple provides it, he'll be able to issue them a marriage license.
We don't perform the ceremony. Whether or not they can actually get married in jail, that's not my office, but we are able to give them a license. Like I said, whether or not it's able to be executed on, that's up to the jail.
But that doesn't mean they'll end up married. And there are a couple reasons the Kentucky Department of Corrections lists as why inmates cannot get married. There's only one that potentially applies here, though. That's if an inmate making the request is emotionally unstable or incompetent. Hubers is scheduled to be in court tomorrow for a hearing now that her mental health evaluation has been completed. Hubers won her appeal because one of the jurors in her trial was actually a convicted felon, and Kentucky law says that convicted felons cannot serve on juries. Her retrial is set for August. Live in Newport, Christian Hauser, Local 12.